All right, folks. We're going to figure this out. We're going to do some lot testing. I don't have them all out here, but I'm going to lot test some SK. And that's for, I'm going to try that. Chris Lane shot some of that through his Savage, and I'm going to try it. So we're going to try that and some lot testing in the Bergara. And then we're going to shoot a target. It's a surprise. You're going to see it here in a little bit. But anyways, here's the little intro. Lot testing, target shooting. All right, guys. All right, guys. Are we locked? Let's see. I don't see the... It's going to be a little shaky. Yeah, the lock goes off. Oh, wow. So that's how it... Right. We're locked. Yeah, we're rolling. All right, let's do this. SK pistol match lot testing. Okay. Somebody dropped another couple cats off out here somewhere. I don't think they'll stick around here, but I don't know. I hope not. All right. Top row over to the left. Why do we always go to the left? Because we read left to right? I think so. Okay. Here we go. Now those circles are 0.75 inches, remember? That's what I use to sight in for my challenge targets, because it's got to be small. Wow. We might already be done. Nope. Wow, that was not me. Dang, that's pretty good. It's not super good, but it's pretty good. All right. Next one. Next one over. Oh. Wow, those are pretty dang close. That one might be, the second one might be just a smaller. What? Must be a good day. Because the Bergara the other day was shooting like complete crap. No matter what I put in it. So I couldn't find anything that would shoot good. This good. I'm pretty sure I even tried some of these that day. Ooh. I just took out my aiming spot, but it's 2 up in that spot. Dang. I think it was. Oh, that's it. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, that third one looks the best, but it might not be. They're all about. Look at that. I think it just likes pistol match, and that's about what it's going to do with it. So let's save that. I think that's my new lot. I got a couple other ones, but I think for consistency, that third one. Yeah. Let me go grab a couple others. Hold up. All right. I had 2 more different lots, but one of them's marked for the CZ, so I'm not going to mess with it. So we'll try this one. All right, here we go. Hello. I might want to put the right deal in that I just loaded up. Ah, okay. Next one over. Ooh. Okay. They're all pretty much the same, huh? Except that last group opened up quite a bit. But they're all touching. Wow. I don't know. We're going to have to measure them. I can't tell from here. All right, guys. Thought I'd bring you along with that little thing, and we'll bring it down, and you know, I'll discuss it with you. All right. All right, folks. Doing a little lot testing. Yeah, that is not good. My calipers were messed up or something, so I had to I was looking at some of them, and I was like, that don't look right. But yeah, so yeah, that's not good at all. Check that out. 0.5, 0.4, 7, 0.44, 0.51. Anyways, I was trying to figure out an ammo for the next target that I got coming out. I got a couple coming out. I might release them both at the same time. I don't know. But, yeah, that's not good. Well, I ended up using this one, which was a good guess because I hadn't measured it yet. But I had the target up there, so I just went ahead and used that. And yeah, I was right about it. Barely. But yeah, wow, that's not good. So anyway, yeah, we need to find something more consistent, or more, not consistent, but more smaller. Holy cow. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed my lot testing video. We'll do some more. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out in this winter ammo crap. All right, everybody. Hope you're having a good week. Everybody take care.